there's men out there.
I'm a girl's girl, and then she calls all the girls a bitch! Why? Because I'm hot as fuck!
I have to cut the show now. I have to cut it. Finally checked into the hotel. I am definitely so tired because the room wasn't ready. So I went for my little walk to see the area. I definitely was so tired because I went into Walgreens thinking I was getting Celsius. The cashier was like, do you have your ID? And I was like, why do I need my ID for an energy drink? And she was like, energy? And they were Yellow Claws. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe it. That's not what I wanted. It's 10 a.m. here. I walked over to Target, got Celsius. And I triple checked to make sure that's what it is. And now we're here. First one here. Everyone is just about landed now. Our hotel is nice. It's kind of giving hostel vibes. It's right in the center of the area. The staff is nice. They have a pool here. They have a bar on the 13th or 12th floor. And there's another bar that is here on the second floor. But we're at the lobby. They gave us robes. We have double queen beds. We're all in the same block. We're all together. And yeah, super excited about this trip and celebrating Jenny. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. I'm thinking there's gonna be lots of core memories. Hopefully Jenny will be the drunkest.
Oh.
MTV quiz.
There you go. Look at her.
Don't look back. Runaway bride.
Hello. Oh my goodness. Here, come.
This is very chill vibes over here.
Oh, we're getting ready now?
This is the party room. This is nice lighting. Oh, there's men out there.
Not the men coming out the
What the fuck? What? Oh, is that it? Oh.
My name is Jenny. This is my first drink. Oh shit. My name is Shirley. This is my first drink.
They're over there.
My name is Vanna and I'm on drink 0.
My name is Jennifer and I'm still on drink 0. My name is Jennifer and I'm on drink 1.
My name is Jasmine and this is my first drink.
Cheers.
My first drink.
Soju is not good warm. Soju is never good warm. Anyways, that was our second drink. The drink earlier was a chaser.
Yeah, this is the actual drink. This is the first drink we made.
Let me get to your height.
Let's do the thing where it's like, we're like the same height.
Okay, this is what I see. And I'm gonna go up to your face. Oh shit.
What I see?
Double tap.
We don't like her anymore. She didn't have anything against anybody else. She was just like, I'm a girl's girl, and then she calls all the girls a bitch! Like a bitch. I don't know her. I don't like her. I was trying to know. She was always a girl. That's why she on the show. And then she was like going up and super quiet. And then she was like, I don't know. She turned. She recognized feminism. No, weaponized girl code. Wait, I feel like this is censored. We're back. Okay, let's put the headphone.
Look at this body. It's tea. Like the curves. Like, oh my god. Beauty. Booty. Woo! Liam, come grab her. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm gonna make it happen.
I think it's gonna be Jenny. Number 2 is Tiffany or Jasmine. I heard. Hi vlog! My name is Jenny. My YouTube is Famdilly.
Wait, this is kind of good.
Are you Vietnamese? That's Chinese. This is the Chinese. This is a double habit. Is that what it means?
You tell me.
Oh yeah. It's like good luck from there. Here you go. Is that it? You remember.
She's waiting. Very nice. On the end of February.
Alright, chat. It is 8 p.m. and we just got back. Night is still young. It's my bedtime. Good night. Hi, my name is Linda and this is my last drink because I have a workout tomorrow.
It's like, fucking no! You spent it already? I gave you my money and you spent it already? It's literally like lending money to a crack.
Say less.
What?
Yeah, she gotta tie her hair up. This is not safe for the YouTube. I have to cut the show now. I have to cut it. Hello. It is currently 2 a.m. and Shirley is about to try her first Chicago deep dish. This is me. I am about to wake up in 6 hours to go to Legree. I'm committed. This hits different, right?
Being converted right now.
Yeah, I'm always a thin crust girl, but deep dish is different.
That's their grass.
Day 2, baby. Hello. Here is the fit. Ride in. Not ready, just in time. 11 o'clock, baby.
Oh!
Disposed from the ashes. Chicago entered fire, sparked an architectural
Oh shoot, we're gonna go back. And we're back. Yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
is
we
this
changed the
this is the first one we took?
Oh shit. Oh shit. Just bring it back to Tokyo. Today is the day, day 3. That's right, baby. We're fitness. The bride is awake. You can stop us now. Baby girl. No one would see this face and knew what happened last night. Big present for you. No, we gotta get there to learn the machine. Look at us. We're almost in our... No, it's not dirty 30. It's 30 and thriving. I would say last night was a success. Everything we wanted Jenny to be. Jenny reached her full potential last night. And I felt all the emotions. I felt ups and downs. Last night, all the feelings was to celebrate the life of Jenny Wynn before she becomes Jenny Fam. She will be joining the family socially, but she will forever be Jenny Wynn. Win, all we do is win. She's an icon. She's a legend. She is the moment. Not her shirt with her liquid IV. Wow. This weekend was too short but too long at the same time. Was it everything you had wished? Oh, your hair's herring. So good. Hey, this is us after Legree. Oh, we did that. Yeah, we're awake. We sweated out. We're detoxed, and now we're ready for round 3. Last splash. Last splash.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive.
Yeah, maybe that too. Don't really tell me about it when we come back. Okay?
What?
Out of way, out of way.
Hop them twice. So many of them.
Yeah.
Ignore that message.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive.
I could see it.
You got it.
Anything else?
Yeah.